Everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I am also great by the grace Almighty Bhagavan. Right now I am sitting here. I am showing the game, actually football game. You can see, oh my god, good chance and good goal here. As you, as you can see, uh, Ortho is my brother. Actually, good playing. Roman. Oh my god, good touch. Another player. Actually, their team. Oh my god, gathering here. Uh, Shobon. Oh my god. Actually, he's little boy, as you can see, running fast, but not comfortable feel. Ortho and Shobon. Oh my god, as you can see, actually it's will be their memory. Actually, good time passing here. Uh, that's why uh, I am already fast those time. Really miss you. As you can see, football is a famous sport and prominent in the world. You know that. As you can see, touching the ball. Oh my god, gathering the player. Running fast and clearly another player, but the ball out of boundary. Actually, it's our village surrounding area. uh, as you can see we are viewers the playing game. As you can see, actually they are sometimes really good playing, but sometimes they are wrong passing, wrong playing. I can see that and I realize. As you can see, a good chance but some mistake. uh, as you can see, another player. Oh my god, mistake. Actually, maybe they are tired. Handball. Mizan shoot off. As you can see, oh my god, good shot. Oh, really good shot. The goalkeeper threw the ball. Ortho. As you can see, actually it's a winter season, so it's foggy weather. uh, they are playing. Good chance, Rubel, and goal. Oh my god, the ball out of boundary. Mitun. Hello Mitun. Hey Mithun. There another player. Actually, oh my god, good chance but mistake. Okay, thank you for watching my video and support me. Actually, I have a YouTube channel. I am also practicing my spoken English journey as a learner, as a beginner, uh, basic level. So support me. No goal, a mistake. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.